Okay, problem number 2. We're still applying the distributive property and identifying and combining our like terms. We have 3 plus 11 times 2c plus 3. So the first thing we're going to do is identify our distributive property, what we're going to distribute. We're going to take that 11 and distribute it to the 2c and the positive 3. The reason we do that is it is on the outside of this parentheses. That's how we know that that's what we're distributing. We're going to go ahead and type that in. We bring down our 3 plus, and then our 11 times 2c plus our 11 times 3. We're creating our teams, remember? All right, so we're going to rewrite this. So 3 comes down with my positive sign, and then 11 times 2c equals 22c, because it's 11 times 2, and I just bring down my variable. 11 times 3 is 33. I'm now going to identify what are my like terms. And then to make it more convenient, I'm rewriting it so they're together. So I put my positive 3 here. If there's not a sign in front of the number, you know it's positive. And then I put my 33 over here. So I have a positive 3, positive 33. I take my 22c and I just put it at the front because it's not really doing anything with anyone. And I've color coded it so you can see what I'm combining as I had rewritten this into a better expression so you can see how to combine them. I go ahead and combine them. 22c I bring down, 3 plus 33 equals 36, and that is my simplified term. You need to write each step in order to get this question or this problem correct. You do not need to color code it, you don't have to circle it, but you do need to write each step in this process.